Let me say something most financial gurus won't. Getting rich in America does not require genius, luck, or insider secrets. It requires doing a few boring things consistently for a long time. This book is called The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Tolles, and it might be the most honest personal finance book ever written. No hype, no crypto, no get-rich-quick nonsense. If you want financial independence without stress, this video is for you. What this book is about. J.L. Collins originally wrote this advice for his daughter. He wasn't trying to impress Wall Street. He wanted to answer one simple question: how do I live my life without money stress? The book teaches one core idea. Wealth is built through simplicity, not complexity. Core idea number one: the market is your friend. Most Americans are scared of the stock market. Collins says that fear is taught, not natural. The U.S. stock market has survived wars, recessions, crashes, pandemics, and over time, it keeps moving up. Trying to outsmart the market usually backfires. The simple path? Own the entire market. Core idea number two: why stock pickers lose. Wall Street wants investing to look complicated because complicated makes them rich, not you. Most actively managed funds fail to beat the market. High fees quietly destroy your returns. Collins says, if professionals can't beat the market, why do you think you can? Core idea number three: index funds equal freedom. This book strongly recommends low-cost index funds, specifically funds that track the total U.S. stock market. Why? Extremely low fees, broad diversification, historically strong returns. Index funds remove emotion from investing. You don't need to watch CNBC, you don't need to time anything. You just invest and live your life. Core idea number four: save aggressively, invest simply. Collins doesn't focus on how much you make. He focuses on how much you keep. The faster you save, the faster you buy your freedom. High savings rate greater than high income. This is how ordinary Americans reach financial independence. Enemy number five: debt is the enemy. The book is brutally honest about debt. Debt steals your future income, especially consumer debt, credit cards, car loans, lifestyle debt. Collins says freedom and debt cannot coexist. Pay it off, avoid it, stay free. Core idea number six: bonds and stability. As you get older, stability matters. Bonds reduce volatility. They help you sleep at night during market crashes. The goal isn't maximum returns. The goal is staying invested. Core idea number seven: ignore financial noise. News thrives on fear. Markets go up and down. Collins teaches you to ignore short-term noise. The real risk isn't market crashes, it's panic selling. Final message: the simple path to wealth is powerful because it's boring. Boring builds wealth. Simple beats complex. Patience beats panic. Consistency beats genius. This isn't about getting rich fast. It's about getting rich for sure. If you want more honest, no-hype money content, hit like. Subscribe for long-form breakdowns of books that actually improve your life. And comment below, what part of investing still confuses you the most?